In this video, I will show you how to create a campaign in Meta Ads Manager. First, log into your Facebook account and go to Meta Ads Manager. Once you're there, click on the green Create button. A new window will open where you need to choose your campaign objective, such as traffic, engagement, leads, or sales. After selecting the objective, give your campaign a name and set up any special categories if required. Next, move on to the Ad Set section where you define your audience, budget, and schedule. Here you can set demographics, interests, and behaviors to target the right people. You'll also decide whether you want a daily budget or a lifetime budget and choose start and end dates. Then go to the ad section where you design your actual ad. Select the Facebook page or Instagram account you want to use, upload your media such as images or videos, write your primary text, headline, and call to action, and make sure the preview looks good across placements. Once you're satisfied, click Publish in the bottom right corner. Your campaign will then be reviewed by Meta, and once approved, it will go live. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to How to Tutor.